So whenever you go ahead and let's say, for example, access a remote desktop right here, just like this, what happens is that you will be able to go ahead and connect and do various things. So you can go ahead and move out the browser wherever you want, and you can go ahead and then control with your mouse and keyboard. But if you want to turn off the permission yourself, let's say, for example, then you can actually go ahead and set the permission as you like. So you can see that there's permission. So here you can see that right now you can hear remote sound. If the owner of the remote desktop has not provided these options, then you won't be able to actually go ahead and enable it. Like, for example, privacy mode is not there, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and disable hear remote desktop sound, then you will not be able to hear it, even if the remote desktop owner has provided. If I were to go for control remote device, then you can see that I can only point now and I cannot actually go ahead and make any changes right here. I will simply have, let's say, for example, a cursor that I can guide the remote desktop user with. You can go ahead right here onto permission and let's say, for example, choose to control remote desktop again so that you can control it again right here. You can synchronize clipboard. So when you copy right here, the clipboards are synchronized. You can turn this on and off as you want as well. You can also block remote input if you want as well. So let's say, for example, if there's any input that the user that the other user is trying to give, you can block it out as well, or lock the remote device on the session end as well. So if I were to select this on and then close it out, the remote device will be logged as you actually log out. So the other user will be able to see the login screen. And that is how you can go ahead and set out the permissions as you like during sessions using AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.